Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Smith, and today I have an unboxing to do. This is from Aztec, so I will be opening this with careful. Very careful. Okay, so I went to Aztec and I purchased some jars that they have in sale, but they gave me the wrong I purchased some lids and they gave me the wrong lids. What happened? I drive there, I pick up all my stuff, and I didn't check the color that I wanted for those jars, and that was my mistake. Even if I purchased it was gold and they gave me silver, so they gave me the wrong ones, obviously. It was my mistake not to check before, so I figured out to purchase more jars maybe in the future, because I am 2 hours far away from Aztec. I will go there, so because I go there to get my lye, 50-pound bag lye. So I will go there and I will get more jars because it's more inexpensive if you buy by bulk. So I purchased these lids for those jars. They are the amber ones and I love them. I got some more this and I purchased eucalyptus spearmint because I love it. Cactus and sea salt because I love it. This is my invoice, and I got some samples. I get the samples. They have a sale that if you purchase 5 every month for $5, so that was good. And then I got another ones that they were on sale for $1, so that was good. So what I did is that I got the 1 ounce for 1 ounce for this sale, and then you also get one free if you purchase 1 of 8 ounces or 1 of 16 ounces. You get 1 of this free. So I combined all of that and I got 2 for 1 batch of my soap. So I can use 2 of this for 1 batch, and that I did. So I got this for free, and this one was for $1. Nice. This for $1, this for free. So I got this before. I got some to make a soap in here, so I was needing 1, so I ordered 1 more. They were at the moment $1. Introduction of the fragrance for $1, so you can go and check it out. This is elderflower split cocktail, El Niño cocktail. These 2 $1 free. Cold citrus, gingerbread for my mom, that was $1. Heavenly $1, lychee $1, lava $1, and volcano Cabri. I had 1 of this and I was needing 1 more to make a soap, so I have another one for $1. So it was a nice soap. I will be making test batch with this introductory fragrance, and you will see that in future videos. Oh, but this smells very sweet. I love it. Wonder how it's going to look. So that is that one. El Niño Pop. Very, very, very nice. Liche. This one is liche. Okay, very sweet also. Fruity and sweet. Lava Flow. This one I got only one. This is going to be a small one. Smell awesome. I love this one. Really loving this one. So I have Cool Citrus Basil. Oh my god, so clean. Mango Lassi Poptail. Okay, I don't like this one. No, I don't like it. Maybe it will grow on me. Maybe I will like it after I make the soap. But it's too strong for me, for my liking. This one is Mango Lassi Pop. So I will see if I like it when I make the soap. Hopefully, if when I combine the the oils of the saponified oils with the fragrance, maybe that will change the smell. Sea Mineral. This one is very light. Very, 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 very light. It's not strong at all. This is the same one. Eucalyptus Spearmint. I love this one. And this one I got the small one. And no, let me see. Got and sea salt. I believe yeah, I used all of my 8 ounces. Yeah, I remember now. And this one I used all of my 8 ounces. So this is restock. So yeah, heavenly. Very light and clean. Light and clean. Gingerbread. Oh, spicy, so spicy. My mom loved this. So this is all my haul for the moment. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Blessings. Bye bye.